finding it alien in the classroom, I had to work my way through loads of sticky goo. And it made these two quite excited because what do you like making?
Slime!
You like making slime. So they thought they would try and teach you guys how to make slime at home using things from your baking cupboard. Now usually that's quite good, not needing to have borax or glue, but I know maybe it might be hard for some of you to find sugar and flour, but hopefully you have enough to make some of your own slime. So the ingredients you need are, could you pass me the water please?
Water.
So, you need some water, which we've put into a jug. We need water. We need plain flour.
Plain flour.
Thank you. Don't come and rob me for it. We need plain flour. And we need sugar. Sugar. And we need, well, you don't need this one, but this is an extra to make it look a bit better. Some food colouring. We've gone for green food colouring today. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, are you ready listeners?
Yeah.
Get your bowl.
Bowl.
Put the bowl in the middle so you can both reach it. So into the bowl they need to pour 2 cups of water, but the cups aren't the usual size. We've gone for a smaller cup. If your mummy or daddy like to drink espresso, or if you've ever been to the painting clay place and made a small cup, use 2 of these cups. You don't want 2 normal size cups. Okay, that's a normal size mug. So you want 2 small cups. Okay, and we're going to fill them about 3/4 of the way up and pour them into the bowl. So 2 3/4 cups. Obviously that's the same as 1 1/2, but I'm trying to spread it between 2 children, making it fair. So pouring that in, let me see. So that was 1. And 2. So 2 cups of water into the bowl. Next, you need some sugar. We've put the sugar already into a bowl because you don't need very much sugar. You just need to have a sprinkling of sugar. So Oscar, can you put a sprinkling of sugar, doing what I did with my fingers. Sprinkle some sugar into the bowl. Then India, will you sprinkle some sugar into the bowl? That's enough, Oscar? One more sprinkle. That was more like a handful than a sprinkle. And then mix that together for about a minute. We're just using a spoon to mix it. Move the sugar out of the way. You keep mixing. Hold on to the bowl with one hand while you mix, remember? So the bowl doesn't go spinning. And mix quite quickly, please, India. You mixing? And then let us have a mix. So nice mix. We're trying to dissolve the sugar a little bit so you can't feel the sugar grains. You don't need to wave at the camera, India. It's okay. Keep mixing. Can you feel the sugar at the bottom when you lift your spoon out? Can you see any sugar on it? Lift your spoon out, Oscar. Is there any sugar on it?
No.
No? Then that's okay. Sorry if you can hear a very loud noise. I think somebody is doing some gardening or some drilling in one of their houses. Okay, so move to the side, India, so we can see the next step, please. Now we're going to add our food colouring. Okay? Some of you might have the liquid food colouring, but I've got this kind of food colouring here. So it does get onto your hands and onto your clothes quite easily. So it might be a job that you want your grown-up to do. So I'm going to do this part. So bring my bowl over. And we're going to pour the food colouring into the water. And watch as the water changes colour. Can you see the water changing colour?
That's a lot.
It is a lot. So I want my slime to be super green. So I've added a lot.
It's more like blue.
More like what? Blue? Move your hands out of the way.
Or black.
Give that a good mix. It does look black at the moment, that's because we've not added the other ingredients. It's very dark green.
So dark.
So dark. But it's not dark on the sides, can you see? It doesn't go dark up the side, does it?
So you got the flour.
Not dry yet, thanks India. We're still mixing this green. Okay, I'm going to move the old spoon away. It's got all green on it. Let's pop that into the sink. I'm colouring it here. Okay, next we need the flour. So for the flour, you need 2 cups of flour, and we're going to the big cup this time. So India, could you put the cup inside the bag of flour, please? And scoop 2 big cups. She only got half that time, so she's just got to do 2 halves, that's fine. So put half in, and then you're going to mix. Hold the bowl, Oscar, with one hand when you're mixing. No, not flopping it, mixing. Hold it carefully and mix.
Oh, it's gone light green.
Keep mixing though, Oscar. You don't want to put 2 cups of flour in one go, so we're going to do it in halves. So you want 4 lots of half to make 2 whole cups. Keep mixing, Oscar, till you've got all those lumps out. No, does it look like all the white's gone and all the lumps have gone? No, it doesn't, does it? Maybe swap for a bit and you have a go at mixing. Oscar, swap and while you get a cup of flour ready. Can you get half a cup of flour ready? Yep. While India's just mixing that. Doesn't look like quite half, does it? Shall I help you with that part? You're not digging it deep in. Yeah, that will do. Okay, swap over again. So Oscar, add the flour in. Hold the bowl. You mix slowly to start with while the flour is still poofy. Is it getting harder, India?
No.
No? And now you can go a little bit faster to fold the flour in. I can tell it is getting harder for her because her muscles are poking out. And it might be that you realise you don't need a whole 2 cups of flour. That's why we add a little bit at a time. Can I have a go at mixing for a little bit? Is that okay?
Yeah.
So I'll just put this over here.
I need a bit more water.
Well, we're not going to add anything extra to start with. We're going to see. It might be a way to get this to fold in.
It looks a bit more like Play-Doh.
Because we're using almost the same ingredients as Play-Doh. But actually, I think next we might be only needed 1 cup of flour this time. Keep mixing it. And I'm going to swap and mix it with my hands. Just so that I get all that flour tucked in. Ugh. What do you think of the slime, you guys?
Good. Feel more like a Play-Doh.
It's not like Play-Doh. Pardon?
It's like a Play-Doh slime.
Play-Doh slime. And if you wanted it more gooey, then you could add a bit more water, but not a lot. Just a little bit of water.
Can we add a bit more?
We might have a go at adding just a bit more water, but can you see? We've got our slime. Ooh.
Can we have a touch?
You can have a touch.
Can we have
Pull it.
Penny?
And you might want to add some more water to make it a bit more slippery and a bit more slimy. But remember, don't play with your slime near a carpet. Play with your slime outside, maybe. That might be the best thing to do. And roll it in your hands again to get it all off your hands. Because you don't want your slime on your hands afterwards, do you? Okay? Have fun making your slime. Send some pictures of the colours that you've made. Some people managed to make rainbow slime. So give that a go. Okay? Have a nice day. And don't get caught in any rainbow slime or any alien juice.